Imagine having your very own AI assistant, tailored to your specific needs and workflow, available 24/7 to save you hours of time every week. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to build your own custom GPT using ChatGPT and discover the secrets to unleashing the true potential of this revolutionary AI technology. Currently, ChatGPT has taken the world by storm, and its custom GPT feature is one of its most powerful tools yet. This feature allows you to create a bespoke AI assistant that can perform tasks, answer questions, and even manage your workflows with unprecedented accuracy and speed. But what exactly is a custom GPT, and how do you build one? Let's dive in. To start building your custom GPT, you'll need to access the ChatGPT platform. If you haven't already, sign up for a free account on chat.openai.com and verify your email address. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Model tab and click